In today's video, I'm going to teach you to remove a text box in Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the box correctly and delete it cleanly, so your document looks the way you want. First, find the text box you want to remove. It might be floating over your content, sitting in a margin, or embedded within the page. The key is to select the text box itself, not just the text inside it. Move your mouse to the edge of the box and hover over the border. Don't click in the middle where the text is. Instead, aim for the outline. When you're on the border, you should see a selection cursor appear, a four-sided arrow with handles around the box. That's your signal that the entire object is selected. If you're only seeing a blinking text cursor inside the box, you've clicked the content, not the container. Try again by moving to the border and clicking once more. You can also slowly glide along the edge until you see that four-sided arrow appear, then click. Zooming in a bit can help if the border is thin or close to other elements. Once selected, you'll usually notice small squares or circles on the corners and sides of the box. That's another visual cue that you have the object, not just the text, selected. With the text box selected, press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. One press is all it takes. The box and any text inside it will be removed immediately. If the document reflows or nearby text shifts a little, that's normal. Word is simply adjusting the layout now that the object is gone. A quick tip before you delete. If you want to keep the words from inside the text box, copy them first so you can paste them back into the body of your document after the box is removed. And if you delete the box and change your mind, use undo right away to bring it back. If you have multiple text boxes, repeat the same approach. Click the border to get the four-sided arrow, confirm the selection handles are visible, then press Delete or Backspace. If a box seems stubborn, it's almost always because the click landed inside the text. Just try the border again and make sure that four-sided arrow appears. That's all there is to it. Click the border until the selection cursor shows, then delete. Simple, precise, and effective. Thanks for watching and happy editing.